Do you got some more to put in the basket? There you go. Can you find any more? Get your basket. Very careful. Do you see any more? There you go. More eggs. Yay. Mmm. Yeah, taste it. Make sure it really is an egg. Good thing they're boiled. Oh, there's another one. Yay. Mmm, good job. How many eggs do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4. You skipped a few. 10. 11. Yeah, just start over. 10 plus 2 is 12.
1, 2, 3.
Yay!